Kaiden says he's not opening back up the shop, so what we do is we got both of our go-karts loaded up in there. We got Kaiden's up front, and I have mine back here. We are gonna go racing tomorrow, right? This is the first time I'm gonna have my 125 kart out in a while. This should be fun.
He thinks he can beat me with this 125 kart, but
yeah,
that's not gonna happen.
Yep, tomorrow we'll see. We're gonna have to go do some racing. Well, it's the morning, and it's breakfast time?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we stopped at Starbucks. Dad got some coffee, and now we are going to hit the highway. And we got about an hour's worth of drive to get to the track.
3 hours later.
Well, we made it. So this is Campo. This is Camp Lockett. And what we love about racing up here is just very laid back. We would call this more of a practice session. Yeah. But you can see there's looks like there's a good turnout up here. Lots of people. There's the track over there. All right, so we are all checked in. Now we get to go unload go-karts and get ready.
Luckily it's not a lot.
Yeah, luckily it's only two
It's not
today.
a whole trailer.
Right. All right, here we are up at Camp Lockett. I got Kaiden's car is ready to go. Dad's car is ready to go. So we hope. We'll check the water in this. Yep, that's full. All right, Kaiden's getting his helmet on. You got it?
Can't buckle it.
There's nothing I can do. All right, first practice section. How'd it go?
Good.
Yeah?
The car was fast.
Yeah, you were right behind him the whole time. It was good. You just gotta find some lines to catch up to him, huh? You were catching him towards the end. That was good. All right. Well, Kaiden's turn. Now it's Dad's turn, dude. Oh, yeah. Here we go. right, so here's Kaiden and Dad. We're ready to go racing again. So far, Dad has won 2 of the races. Yeah, Mister, this guy was talking all kinds of smack today.
No, because my elbow.
Oh, yeah, his elbow.
No, because my elbow was like right.
I know, yeah.
Because
Look at his
seat,
elbow, yeah.
No, my seat was so low that every time I hit a bump, it would go into my...
So we're ready. We're gonna go. We got 2 more races to go run together, and we'll see who takes home the Johnson victory tonight. Who's it gonna be? So far, Dad's up 2-0. Ooh, 2-0, 2-0. That was way harder that time. That was fun though. The track is so bumpy, isn't it? So bumpy. Good job, dude. That was fun. Did you have fun?
No.
No? I'm gonna say I beat him 3 times. So, old Dad still got it. Dad still got it, Kaiden. Look out. Fun cleaning process. Kaiden polishing his helmet. Look at that thing. These karts just are so muddy. This is Dad's car. Mud everywhere. Look at that. Look at that radiator. That's definitely not going to be getting. I'm going to have to build a shield for that. Because that is just ridiculous. What's that? You cleaned mine too, bud? Oh, why don't you clean mine? Yeah, definitely need to build a shield for this thing. There is just mud everywhere. Oh, there's Kaiden. Let's see your awards, bud. What'd you get? First and
Last.
first. All right, well, that was another fun weekend of, well, fun day of racing at Campo. Kaiden and I got to both run our go-karts together. So that was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.